All right, I got another. Hold on. I got another trade recap. Lost two fucking bro. So it says green here because this is a different account, but this is the actual account. As you can see, minus 700. So the reason I lost 700, first of all, on this one, bro, I entered in with the completely wrong contract size. It fucked me over on my first loss. Um, Actually, no. I think I took two losses here, and then I took two losses there, and then one win here, and I was de-risked because I just don't want to have to lose that much in a day. That's pretty much right. But it was losing day, right? A day. That's all I have to really go over. Right now, it's actually 4 p.m. in the market, but it's 11 p.m. for me. Um, Anyways, going into the day. Wait, NQ took it. So NQ had London lows here. We also had just a bunch. We had Asia lows, previous day lows. All of those were just good objectives for me personally. And basically, coming into the open, we had London lows still resting beneath. We had high tweaking. Sorry, I thought I got really confused for a second, but we had this bearish 15 minute, and this was actually coming early into open, which is oh, bro, can you just let me trade? Hello. All right. Well, anyways, we had the unfilled 15 minute that we traded into at open with London lows still as my draw on liquidity. Um, it was a little weird. I don't understand exactly what was going on here. 15 minute was, I believe, actually right here. It was rendering in weird on my screen. It looked weird, but we ended up filling the 15 minute. That's what all I need to know. And then we had this very clean 1 minute IFEG. No other fair value gaps. Obviously, we took it off the inverse and got absolutely fucking fried on this one. This is actually a really good trade. I'm not really that mad about it. Um, the one thing I could take away from this is it was pretty freaking early into the open, and this 15 minute, I think it already got filled. I don't really remember, but I'm pretty sure the 15 minute was already filled, so that could have invalidated this trade idea. I think that's actually what happened. I think that's where I fucked up. I think this was already filled, and then I thought that it filled it right here, but instead it was already tapped into and respected, and then it came back up. I don't trade like that, so that's probably where I fucked up today. That's the reason this trade lost. Okay, cool. Could have been avoided. Great. That's preferable. I like losses like that because I know I can learn from it and never make a mistake like that again. Okay, if we lost there, and then we ended up beginning to draw towards all of these draws in liquidity, like London highs, Asia highs. I took it on. Uh, I think I took it on NQ. Basically, we had these highs. This is hourly highs, and then London highs was my draw on liquidity for this trade. We were displacing heavily to the upside. We had a hold on. I'm kind of just tweaking a little bit. Oh, it was right here. Sorry about that. Okay, so yeah, we failed to reach London lows. NQ had multiple draws on liquidity to the upside, such as London highs, which was the draw on liquidity for this trade. Now, once we inverse this 15-minute fair value gap, and we were displacing towards London highs, I was like, okay, we could probably catch the continuation model if we can fill this 15-minute, this bullish 15-minute, and respect it. That would be very nice. Basically, we trade down into the 15-minute. We get a nice fill, right? We push really far into the 15-minute and then get a big wick, big 15-minute wick, confirming that we are completely respecting the 15-minute fair value gap. And then our biggest time frame inverse is this 3-minute that we cleanly inverse. I take it off the 3-minute inverse. Classic continuation model to London highs. Stop loss beneath the body, of course, targeting London highs. Classic trade. I like this trade. I'll take this 10 out of 10 times. Completely fine with this loss. Nothing to learn here. This is just a beautiful trade. I mean, maybe it was sloppy delivery. We failed to reach London lows. That could have been a sign, but either way, I'm pretty content with that trade. So yeah, those are the two trades, two losses. only one I had was on the other account, which was right here off of this 5 minute. Oh, I went long off of the tap into this 5 minute, and I was expecting us because since we inversed this bearish 5 minute, I was also expecting this to get inversed, which ended up happening. And I was targeting these highs. I ended up closing early. That's why I only had 200. Bro, hello. Oh my. That's why I only got $250 in profit. Closed early. I think it was because we had SMT here. I ended up closing it around here for like a $200 win. It doesn't really matter, but that was a good trade, right? Sweeping London lows, 5-minute IFEG. That's just kind of the model that I trade. It's a very good model, high one rate, um, and everything. So like, yeah, that's pretty much the day. Not a good week, right? Really bad week. Pretty much, I'm 1-4. It just stings. It's like, when is this gonna work, bro? But we just gotta keep going, man. I mean, I don't know. This shit is hard, bro. I'm in Israel right now. It's 11:11. Oh, it's 11:11. Shit. I make a wish, but it's 11:11 p.m. and I'm just struggling a little bit right now. But every trader goes through this, just the times where every trader has a little bit of setback, right? Like today. Today was a setback. I bought another funded and like, just fucked around with it and just did not treat it nicely. Like every single trader is gonna have days where their psychology is a little off, trading's a little off. Today, something to learn. Don't take trades before the macro. So like I took the trade at 9:40 too early to be taking trades. Um, and we had already filled the 15 minutes, so it's an invalid trade. That's what I learned for that. And then the second trade, good trade, nothing to learn. And then third is fine also, but yeah. So I'm able to learn, take away something from today, come back next week. We're gonna have a great week next week. I know we're gonna have a great week next week. That doesn't mean winning. It just means like good, good psychology, good everything. So I know that next week is gonna be a good week because I have the right mindset. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I probably will not film a day in the life because I do not enjoying Israel. I do not like Israel. Just to put it out there, this is a family trip. I don't like Israel. Um, I support Israel. Like, I don't want to get into the whole political thing. I'm saying I don't like Israel as like a play. Like I just don't like the environment. But yeah, I'm excited to get back to my routine. Trading at 4:30 p.m. You guys might think it might be cool or nice, but it's the worst fucking thing for me, bro. Most of the time it's in the middle of when I'm doing stuff in my day, so I'm like out and I have to be on my phone in the car trading, or like I get back, I have to rush to the charts, right? And it's like the routine just doesn't work, bro. It does not work. So if you're ever thinking about moving somewhere where you have to trade out anywhere in the PMs, don't fucking do it, bro. You're gonna regret it. You're not gonna have a good routine before you're trading. In the morning, I can wake up, have a routine, and then go to the charts, fresh minded, whatever. But 4:30, it's like fucking hell. It's actually the worst. But we have to get around it because I'm on break. I have time to trade, so obviously I'm gonna take advantage of that. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I appreciate you guys. I'll see you guys in the next losing trade recap. Just kidding. I said that last time and it was true, so I can't say that again. I'll see you guys in the next video. Regardless if it's a win or loss, it's going to be a good day. Because I know that coming into the next week, I'm gonna have the right psychology, and I'm going to only take A+ setups when they occur with no hesitation. So yeah, this weekend I'm just gonna back test, build more conviction in my model, understand even better what I'm looking for, even though I already do, and continue to trust myself and build good habits outside of the charts. So I suggest you do the same. I appreciate you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video.